Hello guys and welcome to my channel and Facebook page Arabic with Rana. Today's video is going to be about some of the verbs that you will be confused using. Let's start with the first one, which is to watch. So let's start with the standard Arabic at the beginning and then we will speak about the spoken Arabic. To watch, like for example, to watch TV, to watch a show, to watch a match, so to watch any kind of this stuff, you will say in Arabic هو with the pronoun هو يشاهد, it's in the present tense, and هو شاهد, it's in the past tense. هو يشاهد and then هو شاهد. This is to watch a match, to watch TV, to watch some sort of this stuff. But let's say that you say in English, for example, I'm watching you, so my eyes are on you, you know? So in this case, we don't say يشاهد, we don't say this verb. We will make another verb, which is to observe or to keep an eye on someone. This is in Arabic and it means هو يراقب and هو راقب in the past tense. هو يراقب and then هو راقب. يراقب راقب. This is to watch someone like I'm staring at you. I am keeping my eyes on you, watching you in this case. So this is the difference between to watch as you shahid, to watch a match and or a TV or a show, and to watch someone like I'm watching you. My eyes are on you. So these are the two verbs that are really confusing sometimes when you want to distinguish between them. So you will know what is yuraqib and you will know what is yushahid, that both of them means to watch. And the third verb, which is to just see someone or see something, which is huwa yara. Huwa yara. It has the alif maqsura, the shorter alif, which is a. So huwa yara. This is in the present tense. And huwa ra'a. Ra'a. It has the a sound in the middle. So huwa ra'a in the past tense. So huwa yara, huwa ra'a. Yara, ra'a. Yara, ra'a. So this is how to say to see something. To see something. Now let's speak about the spoken Arabic. So in the spoken Arabic we say, let's start with to watch, for example, to watch TV, to watch a match, to watch whatever. So sometimes we will say شوف, which is to see, شوف. So هو بيشوف, هو بيشوف. This is the present tense. And in the past tense it should be هو شاف, هو شاف. I can say أنا بشوف تلفزيون. I can say that, so it's fine. But we also have a very unique verb for the watching. So to watch TV and watch a match and watch whatever, a show. So I would say يتفرج. هو بيتفرج. This is the present tense. هو بيتفرج. In the past tense it would be هو تفرج. هو تفرج. So it has the j at the end of it. So هو بيتفرج and هو تفرج in the past tense. This is only to watch something at. And as I mentioned like a second ago, so شوف, so هو بيشوف, هو بيشوف, and هو شاف, it means to see, to see. So for example, أنا شفت رنا امبارح. I saw Rana yesterday. So this is the case in شاف. Or for example, هو شاف رنا امبارح. He saw Rana yesterday. So this is what it means. Now let's go to the last one, which is also to observe or to keep an eye on someone or to watch someone. So it's gonna be also in the spoken هو راقب, هو راقب or راقب. You can use right now the e sound. Those who are learning the Levantine language, now you can say a. So هو راقب or هو راقب, and in the present tense it would be هو بيراقب or هو بيراقب. هو بيراقب or هو بيراقب. This is which means like to keep an eye on someone, to observe their movements, their actions, or to keep an eye on someone like watching them. So this is all about this video. Please like if you like the video, hit the like button, and do not forget, if you have any questions, please comment below and tell me if you have any other questions or concerns in the Arabic language. And do not forget, if you are enjoying my videos, please share it with your friends, so it would be really useful for all of the people all around the world. So thank you guys, love you so much, and I will see you later. Bye.